Right, guys, back on the C20. So looking on this side, forgetting about that bar goes across. Well, obviously we showing you the passenger side where everything's missing. So I had to drop the truck down and just see if it was in the back. And it was sitting right down there with the spring, which I'm glad because these are hard to find. So, because the LMC truck only sells the one for coil spring truck in the back, and we got leaves because we got a big boy truck. So, I'm gonna have Xander here clean that up, and we're about to put the other shoe on the other side and start setting up the parking brake and a couple other hardware that we had to get, and start putting that side back together. That way we can have we can get this side done. Yeah, I'm tired. Morning. I need my coffee. All right, guys. Well, that's a quick little update on this awesome truck. All right, guys. Well, got the bracket on, parking brake bracket, new C-clip. Just noticed that we're gonna recommend parking brake cables because that spring is jacked up. So basically you just want to go, because that knobby thing's gonna go on the other side of that. Oops, I missed.
Yeah, I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah. Like that, like I said, put the pin in, get the other bracket in there, and we can start gently putting this thing back together. So we'll get you guys an update here in a few and go from there.